In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send a view once only or disappearing photo on WhatsApp. This is a simple way to share something brief or private without leaving a long-term trace in the chat. I will walk you through what to tap, how it looks, and what the recipient can and can't do once they receive it. First, open WhatsApp and head into the chat where you want to send the photo or video. This can be an individual conversation or a group chat. Make sure you are in the right thread before you continue. Because once you send a view once message, you won't be able to reopen it on your end either. Next, choose the media you want to send. You can tap the attach icon, which looks like a paper clip, to pick an existing photo or video from your gallery. Or tap the camera icon to take a new one on the spot. Take a moment to check that the image or clip is exactly what you intend to share. Before you hit send, look for the small one icon on the media preview screen, tap that icon. When it's on, it will turn green or otherwise appear highlighted, indicating that your photo or video is set to be viewed one time only. This setting ensures the media won't remain accessible after the recipient closes it. Now tap send. Your media goes out with the view on setting enabled. On the recipient's side, they will see that it's a view on's photo or video and can open it a single time. As soon as they close the viewer, the media disappears and can't be opened again. It won't be saved to their device's gallery or to the chat. For extra privacy, WhatsApp prevents saving, forwarding, or taking screenshots of view on's photos, and the same restrictions apply to sharing them elsewhere. This helps keep your content limited to that one moment of viewing. If you are wondering whether they actually saw it, check the chat after you send it. When they open it, you'll see an opened receipt in the conversation. As long as read receipts are turned on for both of you. If read receipts are off, you won't see that status, but the view once behavior still works the same way. And that's it. Thanks for watching.